Have you ever come across these Stickman animation videos? Take a look at these YouTube channels getting millions of views with ridiculously simple videos. But here's the crazy part. Most of these creators have zero animation experience. Let's take a look at this viral YouTube channel, Productive Peter. It has gained over 340,000 subscribers with only 82 videos, and it started posting videos only 7 months ago. They're practically printing cash. So how are they doing it? Most creators are using ChatGPT to generate relatable scripts like laziness and procrastination, turning them into viral 3D Stickman stories with AI tools like CapCut. The key to successful Stickman animation videos lies in selecting the right niche, something relatable, engaging, and shareable. With the latest YouTube update policies, videos made with AI should be careful. You should put in the work and strategy to avoid getting demonetized. In today's video example, we will choose procrastination as our niche because we are all guilty at some point. So our first step is creating our script, which you might be wondering, how exactly can I do that? You don't have to worry. This is where ChatGPT comes in. I have crafted a prompt which will help you generate your script in seconds, which is filled with relatable niches you can choose from. Once you have the generated script, briefly go through it and make small adjustments to put a personal touch and make it your own script. This creates authenticity and genuinely connects with your viewers. In just a few minutes, you've selected a perfect niche and effortlessly crafted a highly engaging script. Now you're ready for the next step. In this step, we are giving our Stickman a voice. Now that you have your script ready, head over to this AI voiceover tool called 11 Labs. It provides incredibly realistic and engaging AI-generated voiceovers for free. Perfect for creating professional-sounding YouTube videos. Simply choose a casual, friendly voice to match your video's conversational tone. Paste your script segments into 11 Labs one at a time, generating short clips for each scene to make editing easier later on. Pro tip: listen to each generated voiceover carefully, adjusting the pacing slightly if needed. With your voiceover clips now ready, now it's time for our next step. Turning your engaging script into visually stunning 3D Stickman animations. First, open ChatGPT and use the prompt attached in the description doc below. This prompt is specifically designed to instruct ChatGPT to generate clear, detailed descriptions of Stickman characters and scenes related directly to your script on procrastination. For example, if your script mentions a lazy person watching Netflix with a messy room, it will automatically generate such a scenario. Each scene generated by ChatGPT will include character poses, facial expressions, and even suggestions for background elements. Everything you need to visually convey your story. Simply copy these descriptions into free beginner-friendly 3D modeling tools like Blender or other accessible online resources. Following ChatGPT's guidance, you'll quickly bring your Stickman characters to life without needing complex technical skills. To make this even simpler, start with shorter scenes, 5 to 10 seconds each, focusing on single relatable actions. Now that you'll have multiple engaging, visually appealing Stickman scenes ready to piece together, you've got your engaging script, professional-sounding voiceovers, and incredible 3D Stickman animations. Now it's time to bring everything together seamlessly using CapCut. First, open CapCut and start a new project, importing all your clearly labeled scene clips and matching voiceover audio files. Begin by placing your first scene onto the timeline, followed by its corresponding voiceover clip directly beneath it. Carefully align the visuals with the audio, ensuring perfect timing so viewers remain engaged. Repeat this step for each subsequent scene, creating a smooth storytelling experience that naturally flows from start to finish. Transitions are your secret weapon for maintaining viewer attention and making your video look polished and professional. CapCut offers numerous dynamic transitions like slide, zoom, fade, or even flashy effects. For example, use a zoom transition to emphasize dramatic moments. CapCut also allows you to enhance your storytelling with on-screen text captions or playful annotations. Add humorous or relatable text pop-ups to highlight key moments. Finally, take advantage of CapCut's built-in color filters and adjustments to ensure consistent visual style across your scenes. Stick to a simple, clean aesthetic. This editing process may feel like magic, especially given how quickly it comes together. But trust me, you've done it perfectly. Now, your video is almost complete, and there's only one crucial step left: adding music and sound effects. CapCut comes loaded with free sound effects and background music, so you don't need to go anywhere else. Explore options that match your video's tone. For a procrastination-themed video, go for something light and playful or slightly quirky to match the humor of your scenes. Once you find a good track, drag it onto your timeline and make sure it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Lower the volume to around 20 to 30% and adjust as needed so the narration remains crisp and clear.
They told you life is complicated. They lied. Life is simple, but we hate simple answers because they're boring, and we'd rather drown in complexity than admit we might already know what to do. Think about it. We already know how to be healthy. Move your body, eat real food, sleep enough. Done. We already know how to be rich. Spend less than you earn, invest the rest, wait. We already know how to be happy.
And for that, we have come to the end of our video. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.